What's going on, everybody? This will be the first video that I've put out in about 2 months. It's been a crazy 2 months. Running a restaurant during COVID is nuts. We've been extremely busy. Me and my mom and my sister have really just been kind of treading new waters without my dad there to do a lot of what he was doing. So I haven't had a lot of extra time to put together videos. Which is probably a good thing because the market is kind of nuts right now. If you didn't have patience before you got into the stock market, you are learning that you have to have patience now more than ever. But I really just wanted to make a video and just reassure you guys that I'm still investing. I'm still doing the exact same things I was doing before I stopped making the videos before. I appreciate all the phone calls, all the texts, people calling me, just to talk to me about Dad, and also to talk to me about the market and talk to me about when I'm gonna put up some more videos. I know that, I have not watched the market as closely as I was 2 months ago. I will glance at it daily. I'll wake up in the morning and kind of look to see what's going on in the market, what happened yesterday, that sort of thing. But I have just been continually recurring my investment in my same investments, my ARKK, my ARKG, ARKQ. And everyone I've talked to on the phone, they're like, well, I'm thinking about just taking my money out. It's going down. It is going down. That's kind of the point as to why I put more money into it now more than ever. And let me start by saying, please do not just think you're gonna do whatever I do and come out on the good end. I could screw this thing up pretty bad. But time shows that if you keep investing in these ETFs and you keep putting money in, especially when they're down, that's when you're gonna make your money. It's worked for me, and I'm gonna continue doing it. I continue putting money in. I actually upped how much money I put in per week, just because it is down so low. So with that being said, the people who are considering getting out, jumping out and taking a loss, don't take a loss. Don't do that. I shouldn't say that. Do what you want to do, but you're guaranteeing a loss if you take your money out now. Whereas if you keep investing, you keep putting in, you have a much higher probability of making really good money, especially while it's low. Will ARKK continue to go down? I think it'll probably go down a little bit more. And I'm gonna keep putting my money in, and when it goes up in 20 years, I will have my money back and I will have a lot more of it. What you have to understand is, so ARKK has gone down for about 2 months now. It's kind of gone down, went up a little bit, kind of trending back down. That's 2 months out of a long-term investment. And if you're talking about investing for 20 years, what is 2 months? What is a year out of 10 or 20 years? And you have to look at it that way. So when the market's doing crazy stuff like it is right now, my brain automatically turns into, all right, just don't watch it. Just put your money in, be faithful to what you believe and to what you do, and don't look at it every day and stress over it and worry about it and all those things. Just remain calm. Remain calm. That was one of my dad's biggest things. Remain calm. Just put your money in, remain calm. With my other half of my money, like I said in a couple of other videos, I've been kind of flipping around to different stuff. If Elon Musk says to the moon one more time, then I'm gonna put some more money in Doge and then sell it the next day. He kind of controls what happens with Dogecoin. I don't recommend jumping on that train. Maybe with just a little bit of disposable money that you do not care if you lose it. It's a high risk, but there are some rewards. A lot of people have made a lot of money on that thing. So, play at your own risk. I think right now that DRIP, it follows the price of oil, and right now, as you can tell at the gas pump, the price of gas is going up. The price of oil is going up. We are using up what we had as a surplus, and we are going through it pretty quick, and I don't think that we're going to replenish. We're just going to keep those gas prices going up for whatever reason. And, you know, that is what it is. But in the meantime, you can make money off of that happening. So DRIP, check it out. It is not the type of investment you want to leave your money in. You do not want to throw your money in there and just sit on it and check it out in 3 weeks. That thing fluctuates fast. So as of now, it's going up. I believe that it's going to continue to go up for a while. For whatever reason, you know, not having a surplus of oil right now is, I guess, whatever. So that's just know you can make money off of that. So that's where I'm going with that. I'm not getting into politics. I'm not getting into what I think is the right thing to do. I just know you can make money off of us not having a surplus of oil anymore. So check that out if that's something you want to check into. But the main thing I just wanted to get across on this video was, don't fall off the ship because 2 months were bad. If you want to look at it glass half full, like I do, I put more money into it because it went down. These were the best 2 months to invest in something that has a strong possibility of going way up in the future. The likelihood of Cathie Wood just completely destroying a company that she built, that she controls, and that she has employees working every day to make sure it goes up, the likelihood of her just destroying it and it going way down is ultra slim. She's been doing this a long time, and I am willing to put my faith in that and know that she knows way more about the stock market than I will ever know, and she knows way more about investing than I will ever know. So what I do is I just invest my money with her. I pass my money on to what she invests in, and I let her manage that. And that's what I believe is gonna, you know, help me retire early, help me to have, you know, financial freedom that I've been talking about since day one. So that's what I do. I also had the question, and this was a good one. Well, when do you stop investing? When do you stop putting money in something that's going down? When do you stop, you know, putting your money in the stock market? Well, I hadn't stopped going to work yet. I hadn't stopped making a paycheck. So I'm going to keep putting my money in as long as I have disposable money to put in it. The day that I can't go to work, the day that I don't have an extra little bit of money to put in there, that's the day that I'm not going to put any in there anymore. There isn't a stopping point. There isn't a point where I say, this is all the money I'm putting in. I'm not putting any more money. I'm just going to sit right here with this, and that's it. You know, you can do that, and that's fine. And I know people do that, and they make money in the long run, and that's cool. That works. But the way that I see it is, if I stop putting money in today, and ARK goes down 10% in the next 2 weeks, well, I just missed 10% worth of profit I could have made when it comes back up. So, you know, I'm just going to keep putting money in. That's my plan. I have no changes of plans with investing. I've done exactly the same thing since day one. I'm still doing it right now. The market is crazy. It's so up and so down. The overall market, I think, is up pretty good. But, you know, technology took a big dip. It's coming back. If you don't think technology is the future in America, golly, what is, you know? So just know that I'm still staying true to the plan. I'm faithful to what I do. And you have to be. You have to be patient. You have to be faithful to what you do. You can't just jump ship and jump around to different things. You'll never be successful in the stock market. The stock market is not made for people to change their ideas, change what you're doing, switch this up, do this over here, do what's hot right now, do something else tomorrow. It just doesn't work like that. You know, there is a very slim percentage of people who are very successful doing that sort of thing. But the vast majority of people who make money in the stock market, they're consistent. They are consistent, and that's where the money's at. In my opinion, you do what you want to do. But if you've stayed faithful to this deal, and you've stayed faithful to investing, long-term investing, you know, put a comment down below. Let me know that you're still on the train. And if you're not, that's fine. Look, it's your money. You do exactly what you want to do with your money. I know that over time, this is proven to work. And it always has, and I believe it always will. Unless something crazy happens, I see it continuing to work. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys, gained a little more confidence through this video. I know it's been it's been a good time to not be confident in the last couple of months. And that's gonna happen. In the next 10, 15, 20 years, that's gonna happen 10 or 15 times. So just know that the market's not always going to be crazy good like it was the last 4 years. It's not always going to be down like it's been the last 2 months. You just have to know that. You have to know this is something that you have to be consistent with to see consistent results. So like I said, just comment down below. Let me know what's going on with you guys. I'm gonna try to make a video maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. I have been so busy. I have not had the time or the energy to sit down and make a video. So I apologize for that, but keep inviting people to this page. It's a lot to be learned on this page. It's a lot to be learned, through these videos. And like I said, if you've got an opinion on something and you've got an idea or you've got something that has worked for you, please share it. Please share it. I don't disagree with anything that anybody's doing if it works. If it works, I'm all in. And I know that what we are doing and what I've preached for the last, 2, 3, 4 months, I know it works. I know for a fact that it works. So anyway, I appreciate you guys listening. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope that this builds a little bit more confidence with you and we can just keep on investing, guys.